Welcome to Ko-Fi Forge School of Blacksmithing down here in New Zealand. As you know, there's 5 basics of blacksmithing, and today we're going to cover drawing out. Drawing out means getting a piece of steel and making it longer and thinner. We'll do this fast and efficiently by using the parts of our anvil and hammer. We'll start with the rounded part of our back of our anvil and the rounded part of our hammer. Then secondly, we'll go to the flat face of our anvil and the flat face of our hammer. And then thirdly, we'll finish off by taking the corners off. I'm going to draw a mark on the top of my back and on the top face of my anvil in the middle there. That's where my hammer's going to land. It's not going to move from those spots, and my stock is going to draw through it. The most important thing is to make sure you've got hot steel. Be patient, get that heat. Now we're going to come out, and you'll notice my hammer will come above my head as we draw around. Half a turn, half a turn, nice rhythm. Hammer's going right through the back. The 2 rounds are pinching the steel out. And also, because they're on 2 rounds of less surface, pulling the heat out of the stock. So as you can see, very quickly, we've drawn this steel down into a rough taper. Notice how the 2 rounds have pinched the stock out. Now we'll get our next heat for our tidying up. So now we're going to go square on square. We're going to finish our taper, and we're going to keep it square as long as we can. By keeping it square, it won't bend on us. So the flat side of the hammer, flat side of the anvil. Notice how my hammer is coming down on the same spot and my stock is drawing through it. And the hammer is going right through the stock. And then when we get it down to the side form of our taper, then we'll go on our sides, corner to corner, and knock them off. Make a round. Notice how I kept it square as long as possible. That way I had control. Finished taper. So what we've done today is we've drawn this taper out again by using the 2 rounds of our hammer and our anvil, making sure our hammer hits on the same spot. It's coming way above your head. The higher it comes, the harder it's going to hit, and the blow that you're aiming for will go through that anvil. So you're not stopping on top of the anvil, you're going right through it. Then once we've got it speedily drawn out, we'll come to our flat. We'll keep it square, again keeping the hammer high, hitting in the same spot, drawing the stock through it until we've got it to our desired length and dimension, keeping it square, and then finally knocking the corners off. Thanks for watching. See you out there again in cyberspace, or make a booking here to one of our blacksmithing courses, or visit us at kofiforge.co.nz.